Part 2. Guys. Biglang nawala, guys. Look, guys. Hala, nawala ang aswang, guys. Tuloy tayo, guys. Patuloy. Alam mo yun? Guys. Ika lang. Continue tayo, guys. Lugar ito ay regarding na ito, guys. Hi, guys. Continue kayo ng part 3. Bye-bye. See you to part 3.